Alrighty guys, look, my name is Tommy and this is the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. We are dealing with some weather out here, so let me get through this introduction as quick as possible. And first off, I gotta say that many of these wireless thermometers have come to the channel and not one of them, and I mean not one of them, have ever made the air. Reason being, most of them lose connection, and when you lose connection, you're reconnected only to find out that you've lost your times, you've lost your graphs. I mean, that is a huge pitta, and one of the reasons why I only use wired thermometers on this channel until today. I can say that because I have been evaluating this thermometer probably for the past 2 months or so. I've used it on 3-4 cooks, and not once have I ever lost connection. So look, what I want to do here is I want to show you how to set up the app. You're going to download it, you're going to set it up, you're going to connect it to the unit, and after that, stay tuned to the end because I will show you why I recommend this thermometer 100%. Once that app is downloaded, you got to go through a couple permissions, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, okay them. At that point, we will move right on into step number 1. And you're going to power the unit up. Once that unit is powered up, it is on to step number 2. And that is to remove that probe. Step number 3 is going to be to hold both buttons down till C1 appears. You are searching for your Bluetooth. Make sure the probe is by the unit and the cell phone. Once you have successfully connected, it'll switch on over to C2. At that point, put your Wi-Fi information in. Just let it run through its process, and once connected, you will see C5. At that point, what you'll need to do here is set up your cook. Let's take a look at the app. So the app is definitely pretty nifty. I have used this as noted on a couple cooks. The first thing you're going to want to do is get your Fahrenheit, Celsius all set up. Once from there, I am going to switch it into dark mode. There you go. And we will go ahead and set up a cook. I'm going to set up a brisket cook. Of course, beef, roast, and you'll see brisket. So one of the cool things here is you can change the doneness. So ChefsTemp will give you a recommended doneness. You can switch that to your liking. Hit that start cook once you get these warnings flashed on the screen, and you can also make those disappear so you don't have to see them again. And you are all set. Alrighty, also look, that is your quick rundown on how to get this set up, the cell phone, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and so forth. Now look, 30 more seconds into the video, sit back, relax, and watch why I feel that this wireless Bluetooth Wi-Fi unit is a 100% go. So not losing connection from the shack to the office is a huge plus, as a lot of the other wireless lost connection. But a bigger plus for me, if I am going to invest the time in one of these units, I have to be able to leave the house and monitor the cook from my cell phone. That way, if there's a problem, usually the wife is home or something, I can alert her, turn the pit down, turn the pit up, whatever. And as you could see, with a couple errands to run, this unit was perfect. I've done this before, so I kind of knew it wasn't going to lose connection, but I wanted to show you guys. I went out probably for an hour, hour and a half, couple errands to run, and as you could see, perfect, man. It does not lose connection, and that is why I can easily say this is a complete go. This is a buy. If you are into these types of units, you cannot beat this one. This is the only one that I've tested that worked. And those that stuck around, I appreciate it. My name is Tommy, and we will see you soon.